Okay, grade 1. So we have been learning about measurement in math recently. We've been learning about measuring height, or how tall something is, length, how long it is, weight, how heavy or light it is, capacity, how much it can hold, and area, so how much space it takes up. Today we want to know how much you have learned, and we are going to be doing this exit slip. It says, I can measure in different ways. The first way you're going to show me you know how to measure is by measuring weight. So we have 3 scales here, and you have to draw where the items would go on this scale. So for the first one, they say a book and a piece of paper. When we're measuring on a scale, where does the heavy thing go? Does it go up or does it go down? Where does the light thing go? Does it go up or does it go down? So where would the book go? Would it go here or would it go here? And then the piece of paper would go on the other place. For the second one, you have a car and a desk. And for the third one, you have a chair and a TV. The next part, we are measuring capacity. So we're going to talk about how much water these things can hold. So you are going to be putting the number 1 under what holds the most amount of water, and the number 5 under what holds the least amount of water. You're going to be ordering all of these things from the thing that holds the most water to the thing that holds the least water. So we have a swimming pool, a water bottle, we have the ocean, a bathtub, and a sink. So you have to think about it. Think which one of these would hold the most water and put a number 1 that's under it. And then say, okay, after that, which one holds the second most water? Put the number 2. The bottom part, we are measuring area. So how much space something takes up. You are going to use this graph paper to draw a robot. And after you've drawn your robot, remember when you're drawing it to keep all of your robot in the squares, right? You can't just make circles and things like that because then it's a little bit too difficult to measure the area. When you're done, you have to tell me how many squares is your robot's head? What is the area of your robot's head? What is the area of your robot's body? How many squares does the body take up? Same thing for the arms and then the legs. And then after that, you have to tell me the total size of your robot. How many squares total your robot is? What is the total area? This is an exit slip, so you know that we need to do it independently. We can't get help from anybody when we're finishing it. And when you're done, you have to take a picture and post it on Class Dojo.